Good morning, students. Let's begin the remaining part of the section 3, that is prime, coprime, even and odd numbers from the unit 1, that is knowing the numbers. As I told you earlier, for this section you need to memorize the prime numbers at least up to 100, and you should know the square and square root up to 30. So this is the requirement to solve this exercise in a faster way. Let us solve the first problem. What is the difference? What is the difference between the product and sum of the smallest one digit odd prime number and the smallest two digit composite prime number? What is the difference between the product and sum? So which is the smallest one digit odd number? Smallest one digit odd number is 3. And the smallest two-digit composite number. Composite number is smallest two-digit composite number is 10. So what is the product of these two numbers? It is 30. And what is the sum? 3 plus 10. The sum is 13. So what is the difference? The difference is 17. So 17 is the answer. Good. Next question. Out of the following, which is the false statement? So we have to find the false statement. The sum of two odd numbers is an even number. Yes, any odd number. If you take 3 plus 5, answer is 8. So this is the correct statement. Sum of two even numbers is an even number. Yes. So if you take 4 plus 6, this is 10. This is the correct statement. Sum of two composite numbers is either even number or odd number. So composite number. Which is composite number? For example, 12. 12 is a composite number. And the next composite number is 15, for example. If you take a composite number 15, sum is 27. It is an odd number. Whereas if you take 12 plus 14, both are the composite numbers. So what is the composite? Means non-prime. 12 plus 14 is 26. This is even. This is even. This is odd. So this is the right statement. Sum of two prime numbers is a prime number. This is wrong. Any prime number or all the prime numbers are odd. So two prime numbers means two odd. Addition of two odd is even. Addition of two odd is even. So this is the wrong statement, false statement. So this is the right answer. Correct? Next. What is the double of the difference between the sum of the prime numbers from 31 to 40? So sum of the prime numbers between 31 and 14. So here I am again and again telling you, memorize the prime numbers. Memorize the prime numbers. So prime numbers from 31 to 40. Which are they? 31 to 40. So the number between 31 and 40, prime numbers, that is 31 and 37. So what is the sum? 68. Then the prime numbers between 61 and 17. 61 and 17. Which are the number between 61 and 70? These are the two numbers. Which one? 61 and 67. What is the total? What? 28. Difference between these two. 128 minus 68. Answer is 60. They have asked what is the double. Double. So double means into 2. Answer is 120. This is the correct answer. What is the difference between the sum of composite number from 21 to 30 and composite number from 61 and 70? Correct. So 21 to 30. First we should know the prime numbers. So 21 to 30. The prime numbers are only 2. Prime numbers are only 2. 23 and 29. So sum of the composite numbers from 21. So 21 is the composite number. 22 is the composite number. 23 is the prime. So next number is 24. Next number is 24. Then 25 is the prime number. Sorry, composite number. 26 is the composite number. 27 is the composite number. 28 is the composite number. 29 is the prime. So 30 is the composite number. What is the total? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. 25 plus 8, 33. 33. 3 is carry forward. 3 plus 3, 6. And how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 203 is the sum. Then sum of the composite number 61 to 70. 61 to 70. So let us write the composite number. 61 is a prime number. So we should write 62. Then 63, 64, 65, 66. 67 is the prime. Next is 68, 69, and last one is 70. Make a sum. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. 28 plus 9, 37. Answer is 33 is carry forward. How many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 and 7, that is 10. 42 plus 10, that is 52. Okay. So difference between the two numbers, that is 527. 527 minus 203. This is 4, this is 2, and this is 3. So 324 is the answer. Correct? What is the difference if 50 is subtracted from the sum of 3 consecutive prime numbers before 50? 3 consecutive prime numbers before 50. Which are the 3 consecutive numbers before 50? This one, and this one. So let us write 41, 43, and 47. The sum is 7 plus 3, 10, plus 1, 11. Carry over 1. 4, 3, the 12, plus 13, 131. And 3 consecutive prime numbers after 50. After 50 are 3 consecutive prime numbers after 50 are 53, 59, and 61. What is the sum? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 and 3, 13. Carry over 1. 5 and 5, 10. 10, 6, 16. 117. So what is the sum? The sum of these two is 4, 10, carry over 1, 304. Now if 50 is subtracted 304, if 50 is subtracted from this, what is the answer? 425. This is the answer. So this is the correct answer. What is the difference between the sum of composite numbers from 11 to 20 and prime numbers from 10 to 91 to 100. So composite number from 11 to 20. Which are the composite numbers? 11 to 11 is a composite number? No, it is a prime number. So next composite number is 12. 13 is a prime number. So next is 14. Then it is 15. Then 16. 17 is a prime number. So 18. 19 is a prime number. So this is 20. What is the sum? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 2. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 95. Then prime number from 91 to 100. 91 to 100, there is only one prime number, that is 97. Difference between the sum of the composite number and the prime number. So only prime number is 97 from 91 to 100. So what is the difference? Difference is 2. So answer is 1. This is answer is 2. Correct? Next. From the following, which are not a pair of twin primes? Twin primes means the difference between the two numbers is 2. So here difference is 2, here difference is 2, here difference is 2. So this is the answer. Difference is 4. This is not a pair of twin number, twin prime. How many pairs of twin prime are between 51 and 100? This you should memorize. There are total 8 pairs. 8 pairs up to 100. Out of that, there are 2 pairs between 51 and 100 and 6 are before 50. Which are these two? 51 and 100. This is the first pair. The difference between the two prime numbers is 2. Correct? And this is the second pair. Correct? 71 and 73. Correct? From the following, so 2 is, this is the 2 is the answer. Correct? From the following, which one is not a pair of twin prime? Which is not a pair of twin prime? This is pair 2 gap of 2 number. This is gap of 2 number. This is gap of 2 number. 35 is a composite number. 35 is a composite number. So this is the pair of non-twin primes. This is the answer. Correct? Yeah. The next question. The sum of the square. The square of a sum of numbers in a pair of twin prime number is 576. So what is the square root? Square root of 575. The square root of 575 is 24. So the square of 24 is 576. So 24 is the number. Now what is this 24 number? It is the sum of the numbers in a twin prime, in a pair of twin prime. So there is a pair of twin prime. The sum of those numbers is 24. Which is that number? That is 11 and 13. 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. So this is the correct answer. Which of the following numbers are divisor of the difference between the sum of the prime number from 11 to 20 and composite number from 11 to 20? So prime number from 11 to 20, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers. What is the sum? 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 20, 120. 2 carry forward. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60. Then sum of the composite number from 11 to 22. Which are the composite number? 12, 13 is the prime, so 14, 15, 16, 17 is a prime number. So next number is 18, 19 is the prime number. So next last number is 20. What is the sum? 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 6, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 8, 25. Correct? 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 95. So what is the difference? Find a number. Which of the following numbers are divisor of the difference? The difference. So 95 minus 60 gives you 35. So Factorize the 35. 35 is written as 35 has two factors. It is divisible by 5 into 7. So 5 and 7 are the two divisors. Means B and C. So B and C. So this is the answer. Correct? Next.